Hi guys, it's Rosanna with Beautiful Skin. Today we're going to talk about how to use bronzer. So I've had a couple of questions on bronzer versus blush and how to make them work together. You can definitely use one of our bronzer colors as a blush in place of a blush on your the apples of your cheeks. That's totally fine. It's up to you. I like to use bronzer specifically to give myself kind of a sun-kissed glow. So that's what I'll explain first off, and then how it works with blush and highlighter. So then we'll finish it off with an eye look to give you a bronzy summer look altogether, okay? So let's get started with bronzer. So I use our golden bronzer. That's my favorite color. And I also use our small kabuki brush to get this look. So what you're gonna do is tap out a little of the color into the lid. Take your brush, swirl it around really well, get that worked up into the bristles. You want to think of this more like applying foundation than anything else because you want it to really blend with your skin and not stand out. So work that up into your bristles. You don't want to see anything just sitting on top of your brush. You want it all in your bristles and nothing pretty much left in your lid. Tap off any extra. Then what you're going to do is you're going to hit your hairline first. Let me move my hair out of the way here. But you're basically going to go right up along your hairline. Then you're going to hit your temples, like so. Then you're going to come around and kind of do a contour action along in the hollows of your cheeks here. If you've seen my contouring video, you'll know that the best place to put your bronzer for contouring is right in the hollows of your cheeks. You can kind of pull your cheeks in a little bit. And you want to aim for the little bump in your ear right there called your tragus. So kind of coming along and doing that. Now obviously you're going to see this color on me pretty clearly. We'll blend it all in when I'm done. Do the other side. And now that you've got that, you'll want to hit right underneath your jawline. This also has the added bonus of kind of minimizing any double chinage you might have going on. I am currently 6 months pregnant with my third baby boy, so double chinage is an issue over here. So anything that can kind of help with that, I'm all in. You know what I'm saying? And then lastly, you're going to hit the top of your nose. Kind of think about it, again, being sun-kissed. And you can see how that really warms up my complexion. Now you could stop here if you wanted to. However, I love blush. I have totally become a blush aficionado over the past couple of years. I didn't used to wear it. I thought it was kind of one of those extras, but now I'm kind of obsessed with it. And today I get to debut 2 of our brand new brushes that are going to be hitting our website soon. The first one is our blush brush. This is called the Chubby Blender. You can use this for your bronzer, just like I did with the small kabuki brush. You can use it for blush. You can use it just for blending. It's an awesome little brush. It's kind of stubby and very full, very soft. I love it. For blush, I'm going to choose a warm, rich color rather than a brighter color. So I'm going with Warm Rose. Tap a little of that out into the lid. Swirl that brush around. And then you're going to hit the apples of your cheeks. And again, the apples of the cheeks are when you smile and it kind of chubs up a little bit. That's where you want your blush to go. I love this color with the bronzer because it's also really warm. So kind of gives that whole warm glow effect. Alright, once you've got your blush applied and your bronzer, I like to hit everything with my foundation brush and just kind of blend it all so it looks really natural. I can't tell you how many times I've been out and about after doing my face like this and people are like, wow, you just have such a glow today. I'm like, fake it till you make it. Okay, then lastly, what you want to do is take some champagne pearl, hit the tops of your cheeks. I like to do it with my finger. I think it comes out really well. Kind of lay that color on there. Just hit the tops of your cheekbones to create some highlight right up in here. You can do that pretty lightly, like so. All right. And that is bronzer, blush, and highlight all together. Now, to complement the whole thing and kind of put together a full face look, let's do some bronze eyes. I love doing bronze eyes in the summer. I think it's very summery, kind of beachy and hot and sandy, and always makes me think of hot summer days. So first off, you're going to take that same champagne pearl and our large all-over brush, and you're going to come right up underneath your brows and apply that highlight. Stamp your color on rather than sweeping it. You'll get the most color right where you want it. Now that you've got your champagne pearl, take the small all-over brush and Twinklewood eyeshadow, and you're going to take this and go basically from your crease line to your lash line. Cover your lid. Again, using a stamping motion, that will get you the most amount of color in the place that you want it, and the least falling down underneath your eyes. Right, now you'll want to deepen your crease. I am using Harvest Oak and our angled sculptor brush. And you're just going to take that right from your outer corner in your crease area. Being sure to blend really well. It's almost like a brown smoky eye. Again on your other eye. I like to keep most of my color towards the outside of my eyes. It opens up your eyes quite a bit that way. Makes them look big. Okay, then just blend that really well. Now take a little bit of pure gold and your small all-over brush and take that right in the center of your eyelid, basically over your pupil area. And just touch that right in there just to give it an extra golden glow. And then I like to come along and put the same right on the inside of the lid. You can even pull it down a little bit. Just to warm that color up a little bit more. All right, now you're going to basically mirror what you just did underneath your lower lash line. And here's where I get to tell you about another one of our new brushes that I am just absolutely falling in love with. This is our smudger brush. It is very dense and rounded tip, perfect for getting smoky shadow right up underneath your lash line. So you'll basically do the same thing in reverse. Take Twinklewood and put that underneath your lower lash line, like so. You want to go probably 3/4 of the way or so into your inner corner, or whatever you like. Then, once you've done that, take Harvest Oak and go on the outer corner of your lower lash line and kind of smudge that in underneath, kind of creating that bronzy, smoky look. All right, you can see how that really gets that shadow right up underneath your lids really, really well. Lastly, you're going to want to do some eyeliner. I'm going to use Rich Brown, and I'm going to do it dry because I want to have a soft look. So just grab up some of that liner on your liner brush and come right in on top of your lash line. Like so. Do the same for your lower line. about halfway or so, kind of tapering it off underneath my lower lashes there. Same on the other side. Okay, so you can see the bronze shadows working really well with the bronzer on my face. Finish everything off with a coat of mascara, and you have your bronze beauty look. I added a little bit of our lip shimmer called Kiss of Cupid just to give a really natural and warm look. I want to keep my lips pretty neutral on this look. Set everything with a mist of our Lavish Mint Moisturizing Toner. This really helps your minerals kind of settle into your skin and last longer. Plus it also smells really good and hydrates as well. So that is it, our bronze beauty look.